Mint Credit Score Honest Review. Watch before using. Mint Credit Score is a feature within the popular Mint app that gives you easy access to your credit score for free, helping you track your financial health. This tool was designed for anyone looking to stay on top of their credit without paying for expensive monitoring services or subscribing to complex platforms. Mint provides your credit score through TransUnion, one of the major credit bureaus, and includes insights into your score factors, such as payment history, credit utilization, and recent inquiries. What's great about this feature is that it updates your score regularly, allowing you to spot trends and make informed decisions to improve it. Now, while Mint Credit Score offers a free and convenient way to check your score, it's important to note that it doesn't provide a complete credit report. You'll see a snapshot of your score and key factors, but won't get the full, detailed report you'd find from a dedicated credit monitoring service. Another limitation is that it only pulls data from TransUnion, so if your credit data differs across other bureaus, you won't get the full picture. Also, the score Mint provides is a Vantage score, which some lenders don't use, as they may prefer the FICO score. So, while it's helpful for tracking your credit health, it might not always match what lenders see. For those who want to monitor their credit without the hassle of paying extra fees, Mint Credit Score is a solid tool, but it's best suited for basic day-to-day tracking rather than deep financial analysis. If you're looking for more comprehensive credit monitoring or identity theft protection, you'll likely need a paid service. Overall, Mint Credit Score delivers on its promise. It's a useful, free resource for understanding and improving your credit, but it's not the most in-depth tool on the market. Make sure to use it with a clear understanding of its limitations.